I invite you to the internship program.
Hey, hi. My name is Tushar Chopale. I'm a proud founder and CVO, Cloud Counselage Pvt Limited. It's an IT and management services company with a social cause at heart. The social cause being to help the students pan-India get job ready in time, thus bridging the ever-widening gap between the industry and academia. I want to tell you my story today. Long back when I passed out my engineering, there were no campus placements, no mentorship, no internships. There was no confidence to crack the interview. There's no one to actually guide us in our career. I don't want you guys to face that kind of ordeal. That is the reason why we have actually come up with an internship program for you guys to get your job ready in time. I want you to attend our internship program, which has got a great reviews in the last 3 years. It is actually most loved offering of ours. Build a workforce of 1 million plus people in the next 3 years. The social cause being to help the students pan-India get job ready in time, thus bridging the ever-widening gap between the industry and academia.